are you trying to get with? Who are you trying to get with? बताओ ही.
It's joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. Don't take it. Mummy,
दीवार पहला प्यार.
guys, this is. Do not take this out of context.
Yes, please. We're just kidding.
It is
The
just
next
a joke.
and a good question, but I can't answer it because I don't use it. Tampons or pads, and is tampon risky?
Depends on whatever is preferable for you. I use tampons, they work fine for me. But again, if you're scared of them, that's not something to be ashamed about either. If someone tries to shame you about it, tell them to.
Feel like whatever you're comfortable in. Take
Exactly.
your time to figure things out.
But
There are cups, there are period panties,
There's a lot.
period panties.
Many options.
period panties. I think period panties are the best. They look like adult diapers,
Right.
but
Yeah.
they're good.
But then now they have like reusable.
Well,
Reusable ones are but they're not
But
worth
they're
it.
not
because
worth it.
You're sick, you're tired, and then you have the.
You have to wash
Wash.
them.
Wash
okay,
them.
okay.
Yeah.
Being a woman is hard enough. Don't make things more harder for yourself.
But why the tampon and risky wala part? I feel like because
You need to learn how to use
Use
it.
them, yeah.
They are a little difficult, and they could cause you a little discomfort. But I feel like they.
Is your uncle?
They're amazing at blocking. Yeah.
सबसे worst are pads.
सच में.
Indeed.
Should I take a gap year after 12th?
Oh.
Can I
You
answer
should
that?
try
You'll
what
be
you wanted
depressed.
to do in the first place, and if does not work out, then you can go with gap year.
Yeah, and another thing is that just whatever, just give the exams. Don't even try to like think कि होगा कि नहीं होगा. Just give it.
कहाँ जा रही हो?
पंखा बंद करने.
इधर.
भाई जहाँ पे रोटेट करने वाला होगा वहीं पंखा.
So yeah, if you want to.
I mean, give the exams just for the sake of it. So you'll get to know what's the paper pattern. You'll get to know you'll get more about it. And then अगर हो जाता है तो it's good. नहीं होता तो you can take a gap year. It's fine. I want to add something. I want to say that it feels like you're lagging behind or that you should be doing things quicker. A lot of people will say that you should be doing
Right.
things quicker.
Yeah.
You'll feel like you should be doing things quicker. But please remember that most of us, when we're done with our boards, are 17, 18 maximum. That is like you haven't lived more than 20%, 10% of your life. Take it slow, figure it out. You have a lot of time, and we live in a day and age where social media is a thing, resources are available online. Half of the Western world doesn't go to college, they make it out fine. Nothing is that serious. Prioritize yourself, your mental health, and your well-being above all. Listen to yourself first over literally anyone, society, your parents, whatever is good to you is good to you. Go with that.
Okay, one more question about college. What main subjects are each of you going to pursue in college, and all of your dream colleges / universities? Start from here.
Well, I wanted to do finance before, and then later on I was more fixated on design. But it depends. Your interests keep changing. So I did not ever had a particular college or particular field that I have to get in, and neither was there pressure like that. So I'll just say I keep changing, and I like experiencing new stuff and then new fields. So I'll see what I got.
And then, is there a specific college that you
No,
like?
not
dreaming
really,
of?
not really. But I'll just see whatever institution works out for you.
I have no clue.
Any dream college?
Why would I dream about studying? I don't dream about this stuff.
Then what subject would you want to study?
I don't know, man.
That's
What
okay.
are you doing?
Again, that is also okay.
I am not sad.
We are not telling the viewers. It's so that's okay. You're
It's
not
okay.
sad yet.
I am just.
It's okay, baby.
That's okay. Minus the baby.
What about you?
I am going to pursue psychology, and I do. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore that, and I do
I'm
not.
sorry.
I do not have a dream college. I'm just checking out stuff still. So I'm gonna go into design or something art related. So most likely animation, game design, or something in that industry. I'm a nerd basically.
Arre. And dream college, any?
I'm trying for an ID.
Yeah, we hope you get it. Let's all pray together. हाथ पकड़ो. मेरा dream university is NUS, National University of Singapore. I have applied. I hope I get in. And then I want to study new media, which basically consists social media. And
Of what you're watching.
yes, please pray for me too. You maybe they meant do you because it has a question mark. Do you always see the
Some
good in
monkey
people?
and a man trying to what?
Do you always see the good in people?
No.
I try to justify to some extent, but then I just have like I tolerate a lot of stuff to some extent, and after which I'm done and I'm done with it.
Done for.
Headed shit.
Do you
Sorry.
want to say something?
Do you see the good in people?
Do you see the good?
I try to. It doesn't work.
What about you?
Not really.
What about you?
The thing is, if there is someone who has done, he or she is a great person, but I have had bad experience with them. Then no matter how much.
Why is your head so?
Gay!
And if is it someone.
Nahi dikh raha.
If I don't know you, then I would try to see the good. If I know you and you have done bad shit, then I
just
won't.
think that this whole be positive, see the good in people, it's just so unnatural. You're bound to make judgments, you're bound to be wrong, and it's okay. Thinking bad about somebody or doing chugli does not inherently make you a bad person. It's what all humans do. मुझे तो लगता है कुत्ते भी करते हो. I understand, but being too optimistic is also hard because it is not key. But sometimes you see the good in people and then they don't turn out to be good. So what is better is you do what you think is right. If you see that अच्छा ये अच्छी लगती है, छोटी है पर कोई बात नहीं, but I do like her the way she is. I don't know what I'm saying, but basically it's not natural.
Go with the gut feeling.
If you hate someone, hate someone.
Flow.
Next question: any talent, any random talent? Would anyone like to show their talent?
यहाँ
I
पे क्या
can't
करेंगे?
show it.
Yeah, I can't.
मतलब not like that. मतलब not like that. I meant I did gymnastics.
You can do a cartwheel if you want to.
भाई
I
रात
don't
में
want
3
to.
बजे मेरे कमरे में कूदो मत.
Any random talent.
I sing, but not really.
Sing.
I don't put me in the spot. I cannot sing on the spot.
She's a good singer.
Yeah.
Check out her channel. It will have
Yes.
a lot of her singing
I'll
on
put
it.
the link in description. ताकि देख लेना नहीं देखो तो बहुत मार खाओगे. Your talent.
Just drawing and painting, yeah. Oh.
Anything else? Some random sa. You can do maths with Duolingo.
No,
That's a
I
talent.
can't. That is not a
That's a
talent.
भाई मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था Duolingo होता है. नहीं मैथ्स में Duolingo होता है.
Wait.
Duolingo.
Wait. There is music also on
Yes.
Duolingo. You can check
अब
that
हम
out.
लोग को sponsorship मिलनी चाहिए Duolingo से.
I don't think
Bird
Duolingo
sponsor
cares. And it's okay if you feel talentless, like me. At least your heart.
I can introduce myself in 5 languages.
तुम ये 6 साल सबको बता.
यार नहीं मैंने अभी भी सीखा है. Like it was
I remember ये क्लास में बैठे सबको बताते थे.
I can introduce
Spanish, she
myself.
faked it. Now she made it.
Huh? I used to fake
Fake
everything.
it till you make it.
And then I used to say random shit.
Just like you used to fake being.
American. Not my proudest moment. Sorry, ancestors.
How do you get how do you get how do you get confidence to come up on screen? I
You
just
do it. You practice.
click the camera and there I am on the screen.
Actually, if you do it with friends,
हाँ.
we are literally in our pajamas, but we're here
It gets more comfortable.
at 2 a.m.
And then तुम अपने साथ साथ सबकी इज्जत उड़ा रहे हो.
डकार मार.
When, why, how did you start your filming and editing era? And what's your future plan?
अब तुम्हारा ही mic है.
Okay. Why? Why? Why did I start? I don't know why.
अरे maybe what was your motivation? How did you come into this field?
Okay, basically, I was going through my childhood photos and videos, and I had none of me, so I was like, let me create it myself.
कांड of your school. हमारे स्कूल में कांड नहीं होते हैं.
हमारे
या
स्कूल
तो होते हैं पर we are so unpopular कि हमें पता नहीं.
हम लोग
और हम उनका
हम
पार्ट
लोग
भी
सीधे
नहीं
बच्चे
होते हैं.
हैं.
नहीं हम सीधे तो नहीं है.
सीधे नहीं है लेकिन मिलती नहीं है.
But we are so wildly
Gossip
unpopular कि हमें
नहीं.
कुछ पता नहीं होता.
We are popular.
Bitch मेरे को अपने
I am
मेरे को अपनी
not.
क्लास के बच्चों का नाम नहीं पता था
I'm
6
not.
महीने पहले तक.
Comment down below if you guys think जो हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे, if you think that they're popular.
Yes.
And now the last question.
Humanities
11th
tips.
grader humanities tips.
Make notes.
हाँ एकदम साल के स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करो ताकि
मास मीडिया अच्छे से पढ़ना. कोई पता नहीं है 12वीं में 11th का भी सिलेबस आ
and
जाए.
then please take mass media. It's a scoring subject.
Do your homework on time. पता है.
And
होमवर्क
be
टाइम पे
there in
करोगे
class.
and then तो उससे everything
Final
else
नहीं
is
होगा.
on time and do your holiday homework on time and stop being unnecessarily mean to teachers.
Also,
Yes,
Yes.
please respect your teachers.
Unnecessarily mean to teachers does not make you cool. It just makes you a bitch.
Yeah. And one more thing, you can have like a lot of exposure in 11th for co-curriculars and all.
Yes, please
Use your
do,
time.
please participate.
Use your time
You
very
will
wisely.
enjoy it.
And especially if you're like targeting foreign universities या फिर
Yeah.
एक दो private flame वगैरह हो गया तुम्हारा, then they do want you to be like a part of extracurricular activities, so please consider that.
और कुछ?
I think that was it. इसके बाद और questions आएंगे भी, so we are sorry we won't be able to answer your question.
You can answer it on your Instagram if you want.
हाँ,
to.
बाकी questions I'll answer on Instagram. That is it.
Special Ananya special on A Ananya.
Tiramisu cake. Ooh, I rock like Janine.
I love also Takshis.
ये कौन सा गाना है भाई?
Like Jenny.
tiramisu
Like
cake.
Jenny.
उसकी नई एल्बम उनकी
नहीं, हाँ.
उनकी नई
नहीं.
एल्बम का है.
उनकी नई एल्बम नहीं रही. अब खाली जेनी अकेले बना रही है.
अरे तो मैं रिस्पेक्ट से बात करती हूँ. उनकी
Okay, I think you should do the outro.
She's busy with
Yeah.
dancing.
my brain is like
Hi.
भगवान है पीछे.
Yeah, 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 yeah.